Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you that how to make the loop shadow in Illustrator. So let's start the video, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. First of all, change the color to white and then hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger manually. Then press Ctrl C to copy this text and press Ctrl F to paste in front. Change the color to dark red and then hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy of it. Select both of these by holding the Shift key. And then go to the arrange and send backward. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will be right back with another amazing video.